This is the Jeep 2024 Rubicon X for model year 2024, as I said. And here is the color options: black clear coat. Pretty much all of these, as you can see, are $595 or $895 for this one color. They always do that. That's just price psychology. Some people want to buy the color just because it's the most money. Bikini pearl coat exterior. It is what it is. So the free color, as often is the pearl white. Not bad. But let's take a look at the other options. Anvil clear coat, silver zenith clear coat, Earl clear coat. That's a cool color for Miami. Hydro blur blue pearl, and then firecracker red. High velocity clear coat, basically chartreuse. And then Sarge green. It's a very military look. I think of all of these, I would pick probably the Anvil clear coat. It's modest, but cool, but posh. What do you think? Aside from the fact that this Jeep is $63,000, which of these would you choose?